A ruling party affiliate organization, ZANU-PF Patriots, has sparked a racist diatribe accusing Opposition Citizens Coalition for Change (CCC) Bulawayo Mayor David Coltart of proceeding over the murder of scores of indigenous people before the country attained independence in 1980. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before you go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. Earlier, the mayor had expressed reservations over the continued failure by government protocol officers to recognize the office of mayor and failing to extend official invitations to attend national events such as Independence Day. In response to Coltart's sentiments, ZANU-PF through its official X page went on to post racist claims that the mayor was a bitter man who was defeated together with the Smith regime, which was responsible for the killing of hundreds of civilians. In today's news, ZANU-PF launches racist attacks against Bulawayo CCC Mayor. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.